So we're changing the colors up on our Jeep Wrangler. We got with our friends over at Underground Graphics, and they created this Warren logo for our winch. The logo's red now, and you put this over it, and we went with gold and black because that's the kind of color scheme we're going with. So we're gonna get this installed today and see what it looks like. We went with the gold outline like the 392 and then the black centers. Looks like it turned out really nice. There isn't much to this install. I just like to use rubbing alcohol to make sure the surface is clean, and a little tool just to spread out the logo, make sure it goes on smooth, and that's really it. Let's head out to the garage and get it installed now. All right, so we did go with the black and gold to match our Trueheaded badge, our Jeep logos. If you look, it matches pretty well. So if you look at the winch, it's red and silver now. We're gonna replace it with the gold and black. We're just gonna use the rubbing alcohol. We're gonna clean this off so the surface is nice and clean for the decal. So super easy install. There's gonna be some air bubbles because it's still a car wrap film. It's gonna work themselves out with the heat. Our last ones did, so I'm not worried about that. But what a difference it does make. It goes from red to gold like that. It looks pretty neat. If you guys wanna pick one up for yourselves, I'll leave a link in the comments below, undergroundgraphics.com. If you're enjoying these videos, remember to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.